And ladies and gentlemen, cryptocurrency or a crypto bubble. One thing that we are all agreed on is that there is an unusual amount of artificially created hype about cryptocurrency. Companies which are vested into making money using crypto are going over the top, absolutely over the top, selling the idea of crypto being that one thing which can deliver all your future financial goals. How much can really be believed here? A lot of people, not just the government, a lot of experts are very concerned. Let's debate.
Cryptocurrency has no legal framework in the country, but that hasn't stopped the advertisements. Prime Minister Modi chaired a meeting on cryptocurrency with stakeholders on November 13th. It was a detailed discussion on every aspect concerning the use of cryptocurrency. On November 15th, a Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance emphasized on the need to regulate cryptocurrency and the advertising.
Blockchain-based cryptocurrencies with their unimaginable and unreliable returns has raised concerns right up to the RBI. The union government, in fact, is considering bringing in a law to regulate this field. In fact, sources tell us that in multiple meetings of the top brass, there is a consensus that has emerged that this non-transparent and over-promising advertising has to stop.
And some are calling for an all-out cryptocurrency ban.
Opaque nature of cryptocurrencies that operate through a decentralized blockchain technology. These are highly unregulated, speculative and high-risk products which, unlike the stock markets, face a perpetual threat of discontinuation.
The marketeers won't tell you cryptocurrency has been used to scam people.
Fake coinex trading, इसके नाम से जो cryptocurrency Bitcoin को organize के cover करके multi-level marketing scheme चला रहे थे पिछले कुछ समय से.
They won't tell you Pakistan connections have emerged. But the potential terrorist financing concerns cannot be swept under the rug.
He specifically, in fact, mentioned some of the groups that you did, Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Taiba. And I think this is a continuing issue, and we made the point very strongly that it's important, therefore, that there are no double standards, that there are no distinctions. Terrorism is terrorism.
High Court issued notices to the Centre and SEBI on a plea seeking effective safety measures and adequate guidelines against crypto asset exchanges in India, particularly not allowing advertising on national television without adequate disclaimers.
A cryptocurrency bill is expected in the winter session. But the need to put the advertising gimmicks in check is now.